I found the typewriter while cleaning the basement, its keys cold and dusty under my fingers. That night, the clacking started. It wrote about me, events I hadn't yet lived. At first, it was mundane, a spilled coffee, a forgotten meeting. But then it grew darker. Each morning, I'd find fresh pages detailing accidents, betrayals, and losses that hadn't happened yet. The words etched right into my days, and the stories always came true. Last night, it typed something different, a chilling tale of my own demise, set for the coming week. Panic gripped me as I tried to destroy it, but the keys clattered on, seemingly fueled by some malevolent will. I'm trapped in a narrative I can't escape, each story a step closer to the end it foretells. As the typewriter sits silent now, I know it's waiting for the final act where my future, already written, unfolds into reality. And as